Here at Forest Drainage Products, we've always taken a scientific approach when testing the filtration capabilities of our products. Today, we're going to take a slightly different approach. Behind me is a 2-year-old Gully Guard, which has had 2 fixing points added to it to allow us to attach a 1,000 litre IBC, which is currently being filled with water. Let's see how strong our Gully Guard really is. When installed and maintained correctly, our Gully Guard filter doesn't only capture over 99% of silt and suspended solids, it also captures 99% of water-soluble chemicals, such as polyaromatic hydrocarbons, heavy metals, de-icing agents, nitrates and phosphates. Our product is a true filter, making sure that the silt and pollutants that enter the gully pot don't enter the watercourse. We can see from this footage and the water level of the IBC that the Gully Guard failed at around 600 kilograms of load. Gully Guard, tested to the extremes, there for your environmental protection and built to last.